Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Feeds. This is Bhumika. So today I'm up with another exciting video where I'll be gonna eat only momos for 24 hours. Yeah, it is another 24 hours challenge and I hope you guys are gonna love it. And if you people are wondering why I'm holding the camera today, it's because my partner is not there with me today to shoot my videos as she was a bit busy with her schedule. So I have to handle the camera today. But anyways, it's almost 9:30 in the morning and I just woke up and I've freshened up. So now let's make our breakfast. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So my breakfast is ready and I have some momos and momos chutney and mayonnaise with it. So I took almost like half an hour to prepare this. And yeah, by the way, I think I didn't tell you people the rules of this challenge. So in this challenge, like for 24 hours, I'll be only eating momos. And yeah, it might be any varieties of momos, but only momos for 24 hours and I can't eat anything else. So this is our challenge for today. So yeah, my yummy breakfast is over here. So it's almost 10 o'clock. Actually, this is not the first time I'm preparing momos at home. You know, preparing this didn't take too much of time, but setting my camera took me a lot of time because, as I told you earlier, today my cousin is not there with me to help me in shooting my videos, so I have to manage it all alone. So if you people want to know what are the varieties of momos which I'm going to prepare for my lunch, dinner and snacks, so yeah, I have something really special for my dessert too. Then keep watching and watch it till the end, and I guess you people are going to enjoy the video. So if you people enjoy the video, then please do like the video. Now I'm going to quickly finish my breakfast and meet you people at my lunchtime. It's awesome, but yeah, as usual, momos chutney is very spicy. Hey guys, I'm back and it's my lunch time now, and in the morning I just had a light and simple breakfast. So for my lunch I want to eat something spicy and heavy. So if you want to know what I'm going to eat for my lunch, then keep watching and follow me now. So yeah, here is my lunch and I made some chili honey momos and it looks so delicious, and I have some onions and lemon too. So now I just can't wait to have this. So it's not spicy. It's not spicy. It's not at all spicy. I know how much spice I can tolerate, so I just added less spice to it. So yeah.
A few moments later.
It's not at all spicy. This is the first time I'm preparing this and I didn't expect it's going to turn out so good. It's so delicious. So if you guys want the recipe of this, you can comment down below. If possible, I will upload a recipe for you people. So if you guys are enjoying the video so far, then please do like the video. Hey guys, it's 6:30 in the evening now and it's my snacks time. So actually the afternoon lunch was so much filling. But now I'm gonna do something simple but still exotic, and I'm so excited to do this because it's the first time I'm gonna prepare this at home. Ta-da! So here I have my tandoori momos, which are prepared by me, and I took my mom's help too. It looks yummy, so now quickly we'll do a taste test. I have some onions with it and some sauce. Normal tomato ketchup. So yeah, it's actually smelling same like kebab. We'll give a taste test. You guys can see what is actually inside it. But actually it is a bit spicy, only for me I guess, because my spice tolerance is really low. By this time maybe you people already came to know that I have 0% of spice tolerance. I don't know, I just can't eat spicy food. If any momos lover out there, then go down and comment below and let me know which was your favorite momo variety so far. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my snacks. You people watch the video until end, and yeah, I have something really special for dessert, so don't miss that. Hey guys, it's 8:30 in the night now and it is dinner time, so let's go quickly see what I've prepared for dinner today. So here I have my dinner for tonight. So it is an Italian momos. So you can just see how delicious it looks. Yeah, it is a white sauce Italian momo. So quickly we'll do the taste test. So as it is prepared with white sauce, it just tastes like white sauce pasta, but with twist of momos. There is some onions, cabbage and cheese. So it is just tasting so yummy. So yeah, I have something really special for dessert, and it is momos, fried momos, and it's just not fried momos, but it has something very yummy inside, almost all girls' favorite. So yeah, I will just show you people what's there inside. Yeah, like, can you guys see that? It's chocolate filling inside. I had once had a chocolate momo, but it was too chocolatey. So it was actually chocolate covered from outside too, so it was very much chocolatey. So I just alterated it according to how I want it. So now let's see how it's gonna taste. I just love this. I didn't know it's gonna turn out so good. I thought it's gonna be way more chocolatey than I thought, but it has just turned out to be so amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video over here, guys. So if you people enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share and comment below. And if you people have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So meet you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.